again, it's time for our weekly excursion down to Monkey Bars for Monkey Bars business. And all week I've been a bit concerned about my hands and my palms, man, being on this bar and lifting the barbell really pulverizes the hands and the knuckles and stuff. So that's what's really on my mind. The hands and the grip are one of the benefits, one of several benefits that I expect to get from doing this workout. I think it's going to take a little bit of time, a little bit more time. You know, I've been on the bars for, it's got to be more than a year now, ever since they opened the parks after COVID. So, yeah, I don't know how much longer it's going to take. It takes what it takes, right? But what I'm doing with the towel pull-ups is mostly the back, but also the grip and the forearm. And I expect that to help me in the gym when I'm lifting, you know, a lot of weight off the floor, deadlifts especially. So that's one of the reasons why I do it. And I guess to ramble as well. So let's cut this off. See you at the playground. Here we are again, my friends, back down to the Monkey Bars to get the business accomplished. And there was one more benefit I wanted to mention, and that is to my core. With all the leg lifts and holding the legs out straight when we do these exercises, it's got to benefit the core at some point. So when I do get the opportunity to get some footage, what I want to see and what I want to show you guys is that I can keep my legs up straighter, more in an L. I mean, I just call it an L sit. It's close to an L, but it's not exactly an L. So that's going to be one of our tracks of progress, getting a proper L, getting the core, the front and the back stronger. So let's get into it, back after this. All right, my friends, time to wrap it up for the day. We got the deuce, 2 hours, and it was a massive improvement on last week. Last week we were just forcing ourselves through it. This week, I'd say everything was kind of like high normal, high strength, high normal energy. We put the gloves on at the end just for the one arm hangs, but for 98% of the workout we did it without the gloves. A little bit stronger in all of the exercises. We got 4 laps in on the bars, and only because we decided not to go hand over hand the last lap, we went around the outside. So we got the 4 laps. We have to work on getting 4 laps in a more challenging way. So yeah, I give this an A+. That's it. That's the wrap. Thanks as always. Remember, like, share, subscribe. Appreciate you following and all that good stuff. Advice in the comments. See you next workout. Have a great weekend.